CyberArk Sentry PAM Senator Exam Q&As are newly updated for your preparation. 1. You are installing a CPM. In addition to add safes, add, update users, reset users' passwords and manage server file categories. Which vault authorizations does a CyberArk user need to install the CPM? A. Manage directory mapping. B. Activate users. C. Backup all safes, restore all safes. D. Audit users, add network areas. Answer: B. 2. You are configuring SNMP remote monitoring for your organization's vault servers. In the paragent.ini, which parameter specifies the destination of the vault SNMP traps? A. SNMP host IP. B. SNMP trap port. C. SNMP community. D. SNMP version. Answer: A. 3. Which prerequisite step must be completed before installing a vault? A. Join the server to a domain. B. Install a clean operating system. C. Install antivirus software. D. Copy the master CD to a folder on the vault server. Answer: B. 4. What is a valid combination of primary and secondary layers of authentication to a company's two-factor authentication policy? A. RSA Secured Authentication, in PVWA, and LDAP Authentication. B. CyberArk Authentication and Radius Authentication. C. Oracle SSO, in PVWA, and SAML Authentication. D. LDAP Authentication and Radius Authentication. Answer: A. 5. Which statement about REST API is correct? Choose 2. A. When a user successfully authenticates to the vault, an authentication token is returned. B. REST API Windows authentication method allows skipping the logon API by using the Windows default credentials with a Kerberos ticket. C. To allow high availability, REST API can be configured to support session load balancing by editing the pvconfiguration.xml and setting the allow PVWA session redundancy equals yes. D. Each REST API call requires that a valid authentication token be provided. E. REST calls are directly sent to the currently active vault using port 1858. Answer: AD. 6. A customer is moving from an on-premises to a public cloud deployment. What is the best and most cost-effective option to secure the server key? A. Install the vault in the cloud the same way you would in an on-premises environment. Place the server key in a password-protected folder on the operating system. B. Install the vault in the cloud the same way you would in an on-premises environment. Purchase a hardware security module to secure the server key. C. Install the vault using the native cloud images and secure the server key using native cloud key management systems. D. Install the vault using the native cloud images and secure the server key with a hardware security module. Answer: C. 7. Which service must be set to automatic, delayed start, after the vault is installed and configured? A. Windows Time Service. B. Private Arc Database. C. Windows Update Service. D. Private Arc Server. Answer: A. 8. You want to add an additional maintenance user on the PSM for SSH. How can you accomplish this if install CyberArk SSHD is set to yes or no? A. Create a local user and add it to the PSM maintenance group. B. Create a local user called proxyming. C. Create a local user and add it to group configured for the parameter allow groups in the etc. SSHD_config file. D. Create a local user, called PSM-PMNG. Answer: B. 9. You need to add a new PSM server to an existing CyberArk environment. What is the best way to determine the sizing of this server? A. Review the recommended server specifications for PSMs in the CyberArk Documents website. B. Use the specifications of any existing PSM and request a server of the same size. C. Use the CyberArk Support knowledge base, search for PSM sizing, and locate the knowledge base article related to sizing. D. Refer to the Microsoft Windows website. Determine the minimum specifications required for the operating system you are installing, and then add 4 GB of RAM and 20 GB of disk. Answer: A. 10. What is a prerequisite step before CyberArk can be configured to support radius authentication? A. Log on to the private Arc client. Display the user properties of the user to configure. Run the authentication method drop-down list, and select radius authentication. B. In the radius server, define the CyberArk Vault as a radius client, agent. C. In the Vault installation folder, run CA Vault Manager as administrator with the Secure Secret Files command. D. Navigate to Server, Conference and open dbparm.ini and set the radius server's info parameter. Answer: B.